everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to write a Python program on BMI classification. So what is this BMI classification? In our schooling, we already thought of it, right? So BMI means body mass index. And we also know the formula for BMI was BMI equal to weight by height square. So this is the formula for BMI. BMI is an inexpensive and easy screening method for weight category like underweight, healthy weight or normal weight, overweight, and obese, nothing but obesity. So we know the classification of BMI was underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. So for this body mass index, we have conditions. If body mass index is less than 18.5, then we can say it is in underweight. If 18.5 is less than or equal to body mass index and less than 25, then we can say it is in normal weight, nothing but it's a healthy weight. And if 25 is less than or equal to BMI less than 30, then it is considered as overweight. And if BMI is greater than or equal to 30, then it is categorized as obese, nothing but obesity. Now, we need to write a code for it. Okay, let's figure out the logic in simple words. At first, we need to take the input. So, for the calculation of BMI, so we need two variables. They are weight and height, right? So, we need two inputs. One is weight and another one is height. So, later we will do this calculation. So, and then we will use an if-elif-else statement. So, here we have more than two conditions. That's why we will use an if-elif-else statement. Okay, let's write the code. So, let me keep a comment first. It was BMI classification, right? Weight equal to. So, till now we took the variables in integer format. But if you observe, the weight and height will always be in a floating point value, right? So the weight will be like 30.2, 50.2, 50.3, etc., right? And height will be like 5.6, 4.11, and 5.2, like that, right? So for this program, we need to take the input in float. So float of input of enter the weight, right? And also the height equal to float. It is also in the float format. Float of input of enter the height, right? Okay, now the input part was completed. Now we need to calculate the BMI, right? BMI equal to weight by height whole square, right? So we'll use height asterisk asterisk 2. So this is height power 2. Now we will use an if clause, and the first condition was underweight, that was BMI is less than 18.5. If BMI is less than 18.5, then we can say, instead of printing, let me take this in a category variable, category equal to, the person will fall under underweight, right? Okay. elif 18.5 less than or equal to BMI less than 25, right? So 18.5 less than or equal to BMI less than 25. We can't write an expression like this because, let us say, I have a BMI equal to some 20, right? And if I do 18.5 less than or equal to BMI less than 25, right? So if I do compute this first, is 20 less than 25, right? Then my output will be like true, right? Is 18.5 less than or equal to true? Does this make any sense? This is a floating point value and this is a Boolean value. If we do this, it has given me false, of course. It doesn't make any sense, right? So now we will use a logical and we do like this. Okay, let me take this. If I do keep this, now I'll get true. Okay. So now this category was normal weight. Right. elif and The third condition was orbit 25 less than or equal to BMI less than 30. If 25 less than or equal to BMI and the BMI less than 30, then category will be overweight. And the final condition was an else condition. So we'll keep the category is equal to obese. All right. Now we need to print the category and the BMI. So we'll print your BMI is BMI and you are classified as category. Okay, let me run this program. I will give the weight as 140 and the height as 5.2. So your BMI is 5.177, so on, and you are classified as underweight. Okay, let me run this program again. So this time I'll give weight as 200 and the height be 1.6. So you see your BMI is 78.12 and so on, and you're classified as obese. Okay, let me run this program again. This time I will give my weight as 30 and the height 2. Okay, so your BMI is 7.5 and you're classified as underweight. Okay, let me run this program again. I will give my weight as 30, my height as 1.2. If you see, your BMI is 20.833 and so on, and you're classified as normal weight. So in this way, the BMI classification program will work. So that's it about BMI classification, guys. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!